because next week I would like to do an exercise, interactive with the audience, where we will pull in all the different things that the Imam has talked about. And that way, you can all give some feedback. Those who have presented, you should also give feedback. And those who have listened to one or more or all of them speeches should also give feedback. And that way, we can revise, revisit some of the ideas, and in that way, make our understanding deeper. Okay? Okay, this is very important that we should do that. And then we will start the new topic of the meanings of our daily dua. Okay, so next week it is a bringing the speeches series to a conclusion with your help. Thank you, everybody. Ya Ali Madad.
Ya Ali Madad, Ya